Clean and Green Foundation is a non-government organization that preserves and conserves the environment through an ecological governance framework. Established in 1994 by the then First Lady Amelita Ramos, Clean and Green dedicates itself to the patrimony of the Filipino people and the future of the nation. Clean and Green maintains parks. Clean and Green programs aim to revitalize and reinvent the Pasig through partnerships with private and government sectors. Its public awareness and advocacy programs has many components fostered by many partners. Clean and Green institutionalizes best practices. Green Choice Philippines is a market instrument designed to encourage non-pollutive industries. The gift of trees is an old tradition practiced by many cultures. To commemorate a birthday or any special event, this is a gift to a future generation. Clean and Green has the Metro Green Plan, a nationwide project to regreen urbanizing areas. Clean and Green Foundation, working for a cleaner and a greener future.